Hi, good morning. It's RV Rebel Girl Carolyn, and I am in Tallahassee, Florida. I'm on Interstate 10 right now. We spent the night at Walmart again last night. I'm becoming a regular there. So now I'm on my way to Co-Landing RV Park.
In half a mile, keep left toward Tallahassee.
And I found a site there. I'm able to stay there for $27 a night, full hookup, except for sewer, of course, but there is a dump station. So if if you think about it, if I were to take a shower over at Flying J or Love's, it's 12 bucks. And if I had a dump, it cost me money to dump, another 5 or 10 bucks. So
keep left toward Tallahassee, then turn left onto Blue Star Highway.
I figured it's worth it. For 27 bucks,
turn
it would
left onto Blue Star Highway.
cost me, 22 bucks. For another $5, I get a hookup, water. I can, have a decent night for another $5. So that being said, like I said, I'm on my way to Cove Landing. Oh, speaking of there's a pilot right there. And then after I get all parked and situated, I'm gonna go see my friend Lisa, who used to work with at the sheriff's office. Her and her husband, I worked with her husband also. Her and her husband are both retired LEOs, law enforcement officers. So they've relocated not far from the area where I'm at. So stop and say hello. I missed the reunion this year. I was at my cruise. We have a reunion.
Turn right onto Getty Road.
And I missed it because I was on my cruise. I'd like to go at least every 2 years if I can. And one of the people I enjoy seeing when I go to the reunion is Lisa and Mark. They were very good to me when I lived there. They made me part of their family since my family was up north in Illinois. So they took me in, had me over for holiday dinners. A couple of us would go over there, and they were really good to me. I'm entering Leon County, which is part of Tallahassee. Tallahassee is the capital of Florida. Lake Telquin State Park, it's called. I'm not that far away, I don't think. Hang on, we'll be there soon. Good morning. Well, this is my view in the morning here at Co-Landing. Taking Danny for a walk. I am parked also right on the water. Here's the washrooms And as I pan around, you will see my white car in the distance, and that's where my camper is, way in the back there, also on the water. It's just gorgeous. Very quiet. Your site is private. This one here is a nice site too. You just pull in behind the bushes. On the water. This is Lake Telquin. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's part of the forest system. There's only 20 sites. I may have mentioned that before. Only 20 sites. Danny's must have marked her spots everywhere here. It's a nice walk down to the water here on a bridge. Morning! We'll take a look at that later. It's for the campers only that are staying here. This is a site that's empty right now. Very nice. I had the option to stay here, and not in this particular spot right in here, but the spot in the corner right over there, number 6. But I chose 16. 16 is a nice spot because it's closer to the water. Six was not. I think it was, this is 6 right here. I mean, you can see the water, but it didn't have the same view. If someone were to pull up in the site that is right on the water, number 7. Here's another site here. This one looks like it's easier to, very easy to access, a pull through more or less. There's like 3 of those that are really easy to get in. Mine was not as easy. It's not hard, but it's just awkward. This one, if you're a bigger rig, you could get in nicely. But and the backup behind it here. Now, I think these over here, I don't know if they have sewer, because it looks like they have sewer. Yeah, these two over here, closer up, have sewer. But the ones close to the water do not. So there is a dump. And the showers and bathrooms are right in the middle. So it's close for everybody. Here's another one that's number 2. You can pull right in. Actually, it's for like a really big long rig. And then right next to number 1. So if you're together as a group, this would be a nice spot for a couple people, 1 and 2. But it is awful close up to the front, and it's not near the water. But you can still see the water, so it's not like you can't still see the water. Here's the front entrance where you sign in. They've got the board here with the rules and a map. This is through Leon County. So it's a county park, a county recreation area. when, I don't know. And it shows you where there's a lot of other places that you can visit if you're going to 4 miles at the city of Tallahassee, how to get out of here. There's no loose maps available. And then the rules, of course, which are pretty good. I mean, you cannot consume alcohol, it says. And the attendant may close the campground in case it's bad weather, which means you would have to leave. And it's $10 a night to camp here. Oh no, that's another one. There's camping at Hall Landing and Williams Landing, and those are $10 a night. I'm not sure where those are at. But this particular site is more expensive. It's $27. I think the other two sites are primitive. They don't have power. But here's or water. Here's a registration box. You got the little box where you get the forms and the box where you deposit your money or check, just like most of the other either county or state government parks.